So we're going to dive into the 3 essential steps that is going to be transformative for you. Are you ready? All right, so step number 1 is upgrade your mindset. I know you're probably thinking, what is going on? I signed up for a college admissions training, Julie. Like, why are we talking about mindset here? Well, that's because no one is talking about mindset when it's the most important piece of your success. When I was in high school, my history teacher divided the class into smart student section and the not so smart student section. It's mean, right? Unfortunately, I was assigned to sit in the not so smart student section. This led me to believe that I was not smart enough and I was not good enough. And I tell you this because most high school students, and even if you're a parent watching this and you're an adult, we live by the identity that other people impose on us at certain points of our life. It could be your elementary school teacher, it could be your high school teacher, it could be your parents, it could be your aunt, it could be just you imposing negative beliefs about yourself through social media or from elsewhere. To get accepted into your dream colleges, you need to have the right mindset. And most of your success comes from having the right mindset. If you're not confident about yourself, why would you study hard? If you're not motivated, why would you even want to strategize your college admissions journey, create a passion project, and land research positions? If you don't feel good about yourself, why would you take action? And that's because we limit ourselves. We say things like, I'm not good enough because X, Y, and Z. I'm not smart enough to get accepted into my dream colleges. My friends are smarter than me. No one believes in me, so I don't believe in myself too. The college admissions process is too competitive for me. I don't have what it takes to be successful. Or any other negative beliefs that you have about yourself. That's where we need to start. To my students who work with me, I teach them to take control over their lives and their future. And we need to stop living from a place of circumstance because you need to define and create your own. So we upgrade our mindset and say, I am good enough because X, Y, and Z. I'm smart in my own ways. I don't compare myself to others because my worth is not defined by others. I believe in myself, and that's all that matters. I'm excited to work hard to get accepted into my dream school. I have what it takes to be successful, and any other empowering beliefs that you can create for yourself so that you can live a successful and happy life. So the thing is, this culture that we live in says, if I don't get into my dream college, I'm going to be a failure. If I don't get into my dream college, I'm going to disappoint my parents. But I need you to ask a different question. Who am I becoming? With hard work and your passion and a great mindset and a solid strategy, do you know what the result is? You will be motivated. You will be successful. You will be confident. And because you are these things, you will get accepted into your dream college because it becomes an easy byproduct. We need to switch and just change the narrative around this whole college admissions process journey. You become motivated, successful, confident, and getting into your dream college is easy. But so many of us work backwards and say, if I get into my dream college, then I will be successful, then I will be motivated. It's the other way around. Ultimately, I don't want you to value your worth based on where you get into college, but instead value it on, did you work hard? Are you passionate? Do you have the right mindset? And did you work with a strong strategy?